JFK Reloaded is a 2004 first-person shooter game developed and published by Traffic Games. It simulates the 1963 assassination of John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States, according to the report of the Warren Commission. The player, controlling Lee Harvey Oswald, is tasked with recreating the 3 shots fired at Kennedy and gains higher scores the more accurately they line up with the report. Shots can be reviewed in slow motion and from multiple viewpoints. Traffic Games founder Kirk Ewing envisioned a small-scale simulation of a historical event after leaving VIS Entertainment. He chose Kennedy's killing over the Apollo 11 moon landing in part due to the high amount of public domain information available on the former. A team of 10 people worked in the game engine of Carmageddon to accurately recreate the event, taking several months each for research and development. Released on November 22, 2004, the 41st anniversary of the assassination, JFK Reloaded was denounced by public figures, including the spokesman for Kennedy's brother Ted. JFK Reloaded is a first-person shooter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.